fell down from inside. I'll show you what happened. But dang, these look good, eh? I think this is a custom one. The kid that lives here, he made a bunch of them. They're really cool. I've never learned how to use them like he did, but you can make it pulse at different times and different lengths and strobe and each individual light. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I didn't do this part. I remember because my buddy was up there doing it. So anyways, it had fallen down. It almost fell down on the car, but now we ran it from up here this way right into there with screws and everything, and then in here. It's not coming down. A little friggin' rigmarole there. Look at that cord management right there. Yeah, the lights are great. And I can change them too. So that's brightness low, brightness high. What can we do here? Scene. Let's do Father's Day. Okay. That's how it looks. It's like this. And you can pick any one. And it like does a little light show. There's so many of these actually. There's a whole different thing. And you go maybe Valentine's Day, Hanukkah, candlelight. I don't know how to get there, but there's a way you can do all the NFL and NHL teams too. Anyways, if you need these installs, just let me know.